Alright, today I am going to, well, first off, welcome to Does It Quad on Sphincter Envy. My name is Ananda, and I'm showing you a game that I play from Steam. It is a free game. It's available on Mac and Windows. I don't know if it's available on Steam Deck. I'm sure I could look and find out, but I'm not going to right now on the recording. So I'm going to review it for you as I play. It's a lot of fun and very accessible, which is my favorite feature. Alright, so let's get into it. So you can either play in arena or play, let's see what it's called. Versus mode, where you can join a public game or private game, blah blah blah. I am going to play arena mode, and let's see how it goes. Alright, so it's really cute. I love the graphics. The pets are fun. It's turn-based. Alright, so I'm gonna pick my team. So you get 10 gold. Each one you put up is 3 gold. Right now I'm just gonna do the basic. Make really cute noises when you pick them too. I don't know if you can hear it right now. I'll find out when I review it or listen to it. So, and you get to pick your team name. They give you options. I usually go with one that has alliteration, so I'm going to go with the tropical tea bags. Now this is one of those games where you tend to get your ass kicked, but it's still a lot of fun. And right, I won that one. Sweet. As you can see, it takes well, you tend to get your ass kicked, but it's still a lot of fun to watch. It's like worms. So if you get all of these trophies each time, I think you win. And I've been playing for several weeks and I still haven't won. But if they kick your ass for these many lives, you lose. So, you know, the math doesn't always compute with me, so let's try again. And if you get a double, you can combine them. Let's see, I've got 10 gold left. I'll show you what this does. So he's got 2 attack right now. And if I combine the 2 fish, his attack goes up 1, so that's pretty cool. Combine the ducks. And I think I'm going to put the beaver in front. Or maybe in the middle, yeah. And then, let's see. I'm going to freeze the pig, so he'll stay there even after I roll the dice. See what else is left. Ooh, another pig, so that's cool. Yeah, I think I'll put a pig up here. Freeze this pig. So it will stay during my next turn. Now you can get these. Like it says, it will add an attack and a health to one of your people, but I don't have enough gold to add to one of my teammates right now. And it's not one of my favorite things to put on my teammates, so I'm not going to freeze it. And all of these, except for the frozen pig, will reset after my next turn. So let's see what happens after this one. Let's see. Okay. And you can speed the game. The slippery lizards. I don't know. Oh. Alright, I might. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. It's a draw. That was fun. So I unlocked 2 tier pets. So they, like, it sounds, they're up a level. And they have some cooler skills. The rat. Alright, I'm gonna put this one on above. Add it to the pig. I'm gonna put this dude. No. Yeah. Move this dude here. This dude here. This one here. Let the rat. This one's kind of boring. I like this one. It adds 4 attack. I'll freeze it, see what else we get. See, I have 4 gold. Takes 1 gold to roll, and I have 3 gold to add one of those extra enhancers, so or add a teammate, so if I roll, I'll still have enough gold to place a person or whatever. Shit, I didn't test the mic before I did this. I hope you can hear this. Let's see what happens. That horse is pretty good. And another pig. Let's see. The pig. Alright, let's see. Let's see what happens. The evil rascals. I don't know, they got a pretty good deck. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna win this one. Shit. No, this isn't good. Oh, shit. Nope. Ah, shit. Yeah, not good. Defeated. Let's see. Oh, I got the hedgehog. Ooh, honey pot. These are good. I like these because they add the bee to it. Let's see. I'm gonna add that to the pig. Yeah. Sell the duck. They gave me 1 gold. I think the horse is kind of cool. Sell the fish. Add the hedgehog. Oh. And switch the horse and that. What is this? 1 random friend. Attack and a heart. Let's see. I think I want to add this to the horse. The horse, of course. Let's see what this does. Alright, let's do it. Snooty trucker. This doesn't look too bad. Oh, come on. Shit. Hey, that wasn't too bad as draw. Yay. Alright. 3 unlocked. Ooh. Ooh, a honeybee. Or honey. I like this one. Cupcake is awesome. Because, like it says, it gives +3 attack and +3 health until the end of battle. So I'm gonna... Let's see. Can I add it without getting rid of the meat? Yeah. Let's see. Okay, random friends. Okay. Sniffling shovels. I don't know, this looks bad. Yeah, I love the hedgehog for that. Come on. Come on. Shit. Come on. No, alright. God, fuck. Shit. Yeah. Okay. I like sheep. Because they summon 2 rams when it dies. When it dies. Okay, who do I want to get rid of? Dolphin's kind of lame. Re-attack damage to the lowest health. Of course it does that. Sell this one. What do I want to do? I don't know. Yeah. Alright, let's try it. Oh, they got Peacock. Peacock's really good. Yeah, no, it's just not good. No, this is gonna suck. See, the Peacock, it just adds damage to it, to its attack. Shit. Yeah. Not good, but still fun and cute. Great. Tier 4, all the good it does. It's really just about the luck of the draw, what you get when your hand comes up. Let's try it. What is this one? First a cupcake. Come on. Give me a peacock. Oh. I didn't realize that one. I'm stupid. I should have kept the first fish I had. Stupid. It's too late. Sell the horse. I know. Let's do this one. Wolf. And dog. Oops. Message from Telegram. Expect you won't mind being in my video. Should be happy about it. Alright. Freeze the fishy. And roll. Ooh, hippo. Damn, that was a good one. Freeze the hippo. And a hedgehog. And the pear. And the cupcake. If I survive this round, I'm using most of those. Alright. Proverbial fingers crossed. No, no. Maybe. Shit. Motherfucker. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh. I don't know. Well, we'll see. Oh. Draw. Sweet. That did not go how I thought. Alright. Cool. That's fun part. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So, add that. Yay. What should draft do? Give the nearest friend a head or attack him on health. I don't want to get rid of the baby's level 2. Let's see. Hippo's badass. Yeah, hippo's cool. Gain 1 pet, 2 attack, and 2 health. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Let's make it happen, Captain. Oh, no, peacock. Damn it. Yeah. Oh, I hate the peacock. Oh. I love it and hate the peacock. God damn it. Yeah, I gotta put that hippo in. At least I know it's good in first place. Damn. Shit. Destroyed. shit. Yeah. Two fish. Boo. Get rid of the dog. Gain plus 1 attack when health and dude. Pig. And the hippo. Okay. Hell yeah. This one is a great one. 3 random pets. Plus 1 of each. Yeah. Or a B. Let's do plus 1 of each. Yes. Alright. Freeze the honey. For if I get another turn. Let's see, what does the skunk do? It's pretty cool. Yeah. Okay. Honey. Frozen honey. Raw. Two nearest friends behind. Let's get one too. Friend ahead attacks. Gain 2 attack. Gosh, there's a lot of good ones. I hope I survive. Yeah. Let's see. Tropical tea bags assembled. Oh, come on, guys. You can do it. Shit. Oh, the hippo's gone already. Goddamn. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Gone. Gone. Was gone before I even arrived. Terrible. Well, that was fun. I like this game a lot, and it's not bad for free. I'm sure you could probably win by adding the or buying the other things, like things you could buy, like new animals and things like that. But I'm cheap and live on a fixed income, so I'm not even going to consider it. Let's see what else you can get. Hats, backgrounds, stupid shit, honestly. Things that don't matter. Stuff you'll win anyways. If you play long enough. And what is that? Oh. And so far I've gotten most of the hats, or some of the hats. Yeah. And they don't do anything. They just look cute. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope the recording got the sound. I hope you like it. Please give me a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this. Thank you very much. This was Does It Quad with Ananda at Sphincter Envy. I like this game a lot. So, over and out. And yes, it does quad very well. Alright.